So we got a 2011 Chevy Camaro V6. I'm doing a water pump replacement. So basically it's simple. You just take this thing right here off the pulley. That goes right there on that. 4 bolts hold that in. 4 screws, whatever you want to call it. You pull that off. The water pump is right there. That's the water pump. It should be 6 bolts. 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 of them. You pull that off. That's when this is what the part look like. You get a gasket to go with it. 2011 Chevy Camaro V6. This is what the the water pump look like. Water pump, y'all. This is the water pump. Now that we got all of the screws out, it should just pop right off. There it goes. So this was a bad water pump. This is on the 2011 Chevy Camaro V6. Hope y'all like the video. There's not too much that to come out. Does that go like that? Pull that off. Sit it right there. And you can get straight to it. Thanks for choosing Moses Mobile Mechanic 3M.